Alright guys, back in this episode 6 tonight, me and my friends traveled around 40 km from KL, just to get our hands on some good drinks. And where did we go? Gunung Coffee in Klang. This place is a small roadside stall built out of a black container, sitting right by the road. But don't let its size fool you. This place is packed. We came around 10 p.m. and it was still full of people, mostly here for more. The vibes? Simple but lively. Just people chilling, sipping drinks, and enjoying the night. Now here's the thing, we're not really coffee people. So instead of their famous brews, we went for the fraps. We got one Java chip frap and one chocolate chip frap, basically the go-to for anyone who loves creamy, chocolatey drinks. And let me tell you, the Java chip, it's a game changer. If you're someone who used to love Starbucks but are currently boycotting, this is the perfect replacement. It's rich, chocolatey, with just the right amount of coffee kick, and those crunchy chocolate chips, chef's kiss. Better than Starbucks, no debate. And the chocolate chip frap? It's just as good, smooth, thick, and full of chocolatey goodness. Perfect for those who just want something sweet without the caffeine. One more thing, this stall isn't just for takeaway. They have tables and chairs, so you can chill here, sip your drinks, and just enjoy the view of lorries and big trucks passing by. Klang, after all, is right next to the port, so you get that unique industrial roadside vibe. Oh, and one more thing. They even gave us a gunung coffee sticker. A nice little souvenir to remember the trip. Small details like this, we love it. Thing is, let's just all get behind our small coffee shops and give them a chance. Appreciate your mom's coffee, your aunt's cake, your neighbor's tea. Support local cause, they're the best in the world. Gunung coffee is definitely worth the drive. Whether you're here for more, a late night hangout, or just craving a good frap. So if you're ever in Klang, you know where to go. Alright guys, that's it for today. Till next time, stay safe and stay caffeinated.